Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of internet time sync not working in Windows 10 and 11. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to these services. So you have to just click on the services and then you will go to the service panel, and at here you have to just scroll down and find out the Windows time. So as you can see, here is the Windows time, so you have to just double click on it, and at here you have to just firstly check the service status. If it is stopped, so you have to just click on start button, and if it is already in running state, so you have to just stop it and then restart this. And after this you have to just change the startup type as well. As you can see, it is on manual, so you have to just change it to automatic, and then you have to just click on apply and then okay. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to move to second step, which is basically the command prompt. So you have to just type cmd and then click on run as administrator and click on yes. And at here you have to just copy these three commands one by one and paste it here in command prompt. The first one, then you have to just press enter. The first one, what the first will be do, it will basically stop this command prompt, and then you have to just copy the second one. And what second one will do, it will basically unregistered. And the last one, you have to again now the copy the last one, and then you have to just paste the last one. It will basically re-register this Windows time again. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. So after this, if it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just go to the third step, which is basically timedate.cpl. So you have to just type timedate.cpl, timedate.cpl, and then you have to just press the control panel item. And as you can see, here is this. So what you can do, you have to just go to the internet time, and in internet time you have to just go to these change settings, and then you have to just change the server from here. You can like you have to just select another one, like as you can see timelist.gov. So you have to just select this, and then you have to just click on update now, and then you have to, then basically the synchronization will happen with a different internet time server. As you can see, here is the synchronization successfully synchronized. Then you have to just click on ok, and by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so we have one last step, which is basically this link. So you have to just copy this link and go to your browser, and then you have to just download this time server. So what you can do, you have to just paste this link and you have to just scroll down and then go to the download option, and then you have to just download this internet time server. So you have to just scroll down and you have to just check this where you can download this. Then you have to just download this and your issue will be fixed. And it will, after downloading, you have to just install this in your system, and basically what it will be do, it will change your time server. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.